Hello friends, I'm Eric Hutchinson. I'm the principal broker and owner of Hutchinson Realty. Welcome to this month's market update for Northwest Arkansas. It is November 4th of 2025, and can you believe that we are less than 2 months until the end of the year, until 2026. In 2025, we have seen our prices continuing to increase, but not as fast as we have the past 4 years. In fact, we've seen our inventories increase every single month, and that's caused our pricing to slow down just a little bit. Are things beginning to level off here in Northwest Arkansas in our values? And what does that look like in our real estate market? We're going to be looking at our 6 largest towns. We'll be looking at Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, Centerton, and Bella Vista. And we're only looking at single-family residential sold listings between October 1st and October 31st. Remember, when we're looking at data, we're always looking in the rearview mirror to see what has happened, and that gives us a glimpse of what is to come. So we're going to be looking at all these things, lots of interesting data. Let's get into it, shall we? So we're going to start south in Fayetteville. Last year, Fayetteville sold 133 listings between October 1st and October 31st, and they were selling it at $213 per square foot. Last month in September, Fayetteville could sell 122 listings at $213 per square foot. Now, that's a little odd, same pricing as last year. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, and this month between October 1st and October 31st, Fayetteville sold 131 listings at $213 per square foot. The same as last year, the same as last month, $0 per square foot increase year over year. Now keep in mind, that's just one town and there's lots of factors that come into play, but this is one of the first times I don't think I've seen Fayetteville level off like that, like they have this month. So lots of interesting data. Let's move forward to Springdale to see if that's happening there as well. So last year, Springdale sold 102 listings at $195 per square foot. Last month in September, they sold 109 listings at $203 per square foot. And this month, they sold 108 listings at $204 per square foot. So selling about the same amount of homes, but they had a $9 per square foot increase year over year. So Springdale looking pretty good for their increasing. So even though Fayetteville was at $0 per square foot increase year over year, Springdale was at $9 per square foot increase. Let's look at Rogers. So this time last year, Rogers sold 72 listings at $216 per square foot. Last month, they sold 88 listings at $215 per square foot. This month, they sold 82 listings at $224 per square foot. That's an $8 per square foot increase year over year, so better than healthy for Rogers. And it looks to me like they're selling about the same amount of homes as they did last month and more houses than they did last year, so good for Rogers. Now let's move over to Bentonville. So last year, Bentonville sold 134 listings at $219 per square foot. Last month, they sold 96 listings at $225 per square foot. So a big increase from last year, from last year to last month. But look at this month, 109 listings, which is better than last month, but not as much as last year. And they were at $218 per square foot. That's a minus $1 per square foot in the price per square foot, a minus $1 for Bentonville. Again, don't see Bentonville losing value year over year very often. So that's kind of interesting, isn't it? Let's move over to Centerton. This time last year, Centerton sold 45 houses at $211 per square foot. Last month in September, they sold 26 listings at $208 per square foot. This month, they sold 39 listings at $202 per square foot. I think I've mentioned to you before that they've got some infrastructure problem in Centerton with the sewer. The growth rate in some of the it's caused a slowdown in selling the new construction houses, which has been a little bit of an uptick in the resale homes. And look at the minus $9 a square foot year over year. That's probably the biggest decrease that I've seen in Northwest Arkansas in any town. Minus $9 per square foot decrease year over year. So that's very interesting. They also lost $6 per square foot month over month. So let's move to Bella Vista. So this time last year, Bella Vista sold 107 listings at $207 per square foot. Last month, 108 listings at $219 per square foot. This month, they sold 95 listings at $218 per square foot. So a $1 per square foot decrease from last month, but an $11 per square foot increase year over year for Bella Vista. Bella Vista has about 45% of the houses they have for sale are new construction. They've got right now about 391 houses for sale in Bella Vista, and almost half of those are new construction, which would explain the high rise in price per square foot. But let's take a look at all of Northwest Arkansas. Let's add all of these factors together to take a look at what the Northwest Arkansas area is doing together. So if you look over in the left-hand side of your screen, these are all 6 of our largest towns. And last year, our 6 largest towns sold 593 listings at $210 per square foot. This year, from October 1st through October 31st, they sold 561, so a little bit less, but not a lot less, at $214 per square foot. Now, that's a $4 per square foot increase year over year, but I will tell you that's not the big gains that we have been seeing all year long, and for the past 5 years, we've been seeing double digits, and now it's down to $4 per square foot year over year. Look at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, and let's look at all of Northwest Arkansas. When I say all of Northwest Arkansas, I'm talking about Benton and Washington counties. 875 listings sold between October 1st and October 31st of 2024 at $206 per square foot. This year, 796 listings, so less than last year at $207 per square foot. That's the median, and it's $1 per square foot increase year over year. So you can kind of see we've had a fluctuations between Fayetteville and Bella Vista, and then in all of Northwest Arkansas, things are not increasing in value as fast as they have been. Let's draw all this together. What does that mean? Well, my theory is as our inventories increase, and they've increased every single month. I checked today, and they've increased even from week to week. They've increased more from this time last week. So our inventories continue to increase as more houses become available. That makes our current houses not necessarily less desirable, but buyers have a choice. And if buyers have a choice, then sometimes they will pick the house that costs the less. So I will tell you that I think that we're starting to see a leveling off on our pricing. But only time will tell. If you are a buyer and you're looking for a home, you've got choices. If you are a seller and you're waiting for the peak of our market to sell your home, I would say that we are getting extremely close to the highest peak that we've seen over the past 5 years. And I think we're going to start seeing a leveling off. And if the inventories continue to increase exponentially, then that will mean our prices will come down. I hope this information has been helpful to you. You can always reach out to me with questions at info@hutchrealty.com. You can go to our website at hutchrealty.com, where you can view every active listing in Northwest Arkansas. And you can even schedule a showing from our website. If you are a seller, you can get a free automated home evaluation of your property, but you really need to have one of our 22 experienced agents come out and give you a more detailed view so that you can tell where you should price your home. Lots of factors come into play, and we've got the experienced realtors to help you. No matter what, I wish you the very best. May God bless you, and may God bless your home.